Welcome to Pin the World. I'm Ryan.
And I'm Laura, and we've got pin mail for you.
That's right. We've got plenty of packages of pins to open today.
Yeah.
So Laura, is it purchases, trades, a combination?
It is one purchase,
Okay.
being a pin club pin from our favorite Only Happy Things, and then a bunch of trades.
Cool.
So, yeah. So let's get into it. Why don't you start with the pin club pin?
Pin club pin from Only Happy Things. So, a little note on the back. Here's your super cute pin club pin. Thanks so much for your support and more. So, really cute card. And, I'm going to hide the pin from myself because I have no idea what it is. I haven't seen it, but you know when you see the bag what it's going to be. So, let's have the reveal together.
Oh, cute.
And this is from January, so we're a little bit behind on the pin mail as happens. But wow, what an adorable pin.
Oh my god, another stamp pin.
Oh,
I gotta put these all
this.
like on the same board or something.
What would you do with it though if you actually did that? Like, it would be neat if you did that and you could like capture the moment somehow.
Oh yeah,
so,
I think I could like take a picture and
whoa,
put it on our
that's a great idea.
put it on our Pinstagram.
Disney.pin.love. But yeah, this is incredible. Like just that detail. These are so great in person. Like the outlines are so like quality is always just stunning. But yeah,
so
there
I'll
it is.
go check out Only Happy Things. Her shop, like honestly, sometimes I just have to like stop looking at what she's creating because otherwise, like she would take all my money. But she creates so many great pins, and the pin club is so fun because you can opt in and you can opt out based on the month. She kind of gives you
it's easy,
like a bit of a heads up. So I'm opted out right now just because it's a little bit of money per month. But yeah, definitely super fun to see what she creates.
You're getting great quality, and nice. You can go in and out. It's not like getting out of that like Columbia House contract back in the day. Anyone else remember that? Probably aging myself. CDs.
I don't know what you're talking about.
12 CDs for like $1, and then like
oh god, no. Okay.
It's like pre-internet. Anyhow,
back to the pins. So this is a trade from Shailene. Sorry if I'm not saying that right. Oh, cute. So a mini Mixet. It's Alice with a teacup on her head. Ryan thinks this series is weird.
Yeah, I do. I think it's super weird. Because it's like, it's sort of not really on her head. It's as if like you took a teacup and smashed her in the back of the head. But even still, it's connected under the neck. But it's like, you would need the hole, like the face to come through the hole. It's a bit weird to me. Okay,
great. Well, here's another one. It's Donald Duck. I have no idea what he's supposed to be. What is this?
Wow.
Because these are attractions.
Okay. Just like mermaid generally. There's probably some like a Nemo. I don't know.
Small World? I don't know.
But it's probably like classic kind of attractions, I guess.
Yeah, true. Yeah, I don't know. Anyways, let us know. It's cute, but on to the next.
Okay, I'm gonna open this one. Who's this from? Do you remember? Okay, S. Initial S.
Thank you, S.
In Regina, Saskatchewan. Hey, there we go. A tomato pin.
So this is a box lunch or lounge. It's a Loungefly set, and it's supposed to be like a map, and it's really cute. Actually, there's another one in this package, and it has all the options. I really want to complete the set, but not a lot of people are trading them right now.
I wouldn't know either that this is part of a map, and I say that in a positive way because it stands alone really nicely.
That's what I mean. Here, I'll just pull it off and show you guys the options before we get into the next one. So, like, it doesn't exactly...
Oh, yeah, no, it's not like a puzzle pin, but it's all sort of parts of, iconic Cars characters in front of iconic Cars background sets.
Exactly. So I have 2 of them now, and I'm looking for 4 more.
Oh, Cars Land is so cool.
I know, right? Okay, so let's show you which one.
Makes me think of Disneyland.
Ah, yes. That's always fun to think about. So, pin.
Cozy Cone Motel.
Yep, and I think that's Sally.
I think you're right.
So that's really cute, and I just love cars. I think that it's so underrated, and I wish they made more pins. But I guess I should have read the note first. So there was a note in that package. This is a trade from Donna. It says, "Hi Laura, thanks for another fun trade. Have a magical day and stay warm." From your pin pal Donna. Yeah, we traded in the middle of the winter and it was very cold. I remember the day I traded with her, I said I would send it out the next day. But then that day came, it was so cold, it was so windy, so snowy. I messaged her, I'm like, "Sorry, your pin didn't go out today. I didn't want to walk to the mailbox."
And here we are, filming this a bit late at the end of March, but we woke up to a snowy, cold morning still at the end of March.
It's currently spring, but doesn't feel like it. So Donna also sent a fun little smelly thing for the car, and it's Stitch. I can't actually smell it through the package. But very cute. And then we got some stickers. Disney's Polynesian Villas. Oh, so we still haven't watched that.
Yeah. And was there a live action one in the middle, or is that coming?
There's one coming, and The Rock is Maui, and everybody's making fun of his wig. It's horrible. He looks like... He doesn't look good.
Okay.
So it's coming, but I don't really like live action. Like
there's been a few that have, like, I remember, for instance, the Beauty and the Beast one, but that was like easier to do, I feel. Like some lend themselves, I think, better to a live action adaptation than others.
Yeah, I guess. I think they're also actually doing a live action Lilo and Stitch, which is kind of weird. I could be wrong about that.
Just wait for Cars live action.
Yeah.
If you want to talk about weird, that would be weird.
That would be weird.
But
anyways,
on the Cars note, very quickly, I'll say, and you saying sort of that it's a sleeper or underrated, I feel like it's probably due. Like, I have no idea what the actual dates are, but it seems to me like the original trilogy or three of them probably came out pretty quick. Second one was bizarre, didn't fit. But like I could see Disney seems to... It's like, yeah, we'll get a few out quickly, and then years and years can go by, and then it's like, okay, now it's time to make a splash.
Like Toy Story 5.
Yeah, exactly.
Coming out, I think, this summer. So, yeah, they should make another Cars movie. So, thank you, Donna, for the trade. This is a trade from Steph that Ryan's going to show.
All right, so second last package of the video, and how pretty. So, Beauty and the Beast, Loungefly pin, just nice little glittery bow pin.
Yeah, I really like that. I try not to get like the different, like the things as things or whatever we call that, but like I like to just get the actual character, but I really think that's super pretty, and it's gonna kind of like breaks up a princess collection with like
a little like filler on a board. Not it's better than filler, but yeah, I know what you mean.
And like the sparkle. I love a good sparkly pin. So
final
the
package.
I am having a hard time
remembering who it's from.
Who this is from. Oh no, that's the one. Okay, I think I mixed it up. Anyways, I don't know who this is from, but thank you for the trade. So I'm gonna I'm gonna show them all on the same little piece of cardboard because we actually traded for 4, which is really cool. So there's a Bambi pin, and it's really cute. I have a small Bambi collection. And then this little dapper Pluto pin. And then we've got Sir Hiss from Robin Hood. And then we've got a Wally pin, and he's holding a kite. So look at do you like the Pluto one?
Yes, I do.
I always get Pluto kind of for
it's
you.
really cute. I do like it.
Yeah.
I like them all, actually.
Yeah.
Or, maybe not caring quite so much about the snake, but the others are all, they're all really nice.
Yeah, I've spotted the Bambi one, and I was like, oh, that's really pretty. And at first I thought it was like a stained glass, which I don't love, but it's not. It's a solid background, and it just looks really pretty. So,
nice.
So that was really great. I love, like, the price of stamps has gone up in Canada for these, like, oversized stamps. So I like when I can trade for multiple, because it's not the cheapest thing to do anymore. Like, just trading for one single pin, it's kind of like, you really have to think about it.
Yeah.
And I think that's why maybe trading has felt a little bit slower, because a lot of people are like, well, I don't want to just trade for one. But yeah, we made out pretty well today, so.
Yeah, we sure did. I think then the comment below, from my perspective, you can always just let us know your favorite pin. We love to know that. But which film is due for a sequel?
Ooh, nice.
I'm
Yeah.
thinking of like you mentioned Cars, although maybe you have another pick. Monsters Inc. I could definitely see. I think we were talking about that not long ago, especially with the new ride coming into
Yeah.
Hollywood studios. It just could be time.
Is that one in the works too? I feel like
Oh, I don't know actually.
I could be wrong, but I feel like Pixar's working on that one as well, unless that was just like about the new ride maybe. I don't know. I feel like I saw something, but yeah, I definitely agree. Like Monsters and Cars, like both two things that I really love. I'd love to see another movie for that.
The Frozen ones have been pretty spread out. Like that wasn't like I was surprised how long
Yeah.
it took them to get number 2 out, considering what a smash number 1 was. But
Yeah. So let us know in the comments down below, and also make sure you go check out Only Happy Things because you'll probably buy pins from her. And as always, we'll see you guys in the next one.